In the following reaction, the reagent is 3,3-dimethyl-1-butene undergoes acid catalyzed hydration. The major product is 3,3-dimethyl-1-butene undergoes acid catalyzed hydration is example of Markovnikov rule. So there are some steps involved in the reaction mechanism. First step is protonation. Protonation, that means addition of H plus CH3 C CH3 CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is electrophilic addition. As per Markovnikov rule, the positive part attached to carbon that contain more number of hydrogen atoms. That's why CH3 C CH3 CH3 CH plus CH3. Second one is, for its stability, methyl shifting takes place. Second step is methyl shifting. That means the secondary carbocation converted into tertiary carbocation. That means the CH3 plus transfer into this carbon, the charge transfer into this carbon. So CH3 C CH3 plus CH3 CH3. This is a tertiary carbocation. And step 3, nucleophilic addition. That means addition of water. Nucleophilic addition, that means addition of water. CH3 C CH3 CH3, then water is added. Water added to this carbon. That means this carbon contain positive charge. Then give CH3 C CH3 OH. This is a protonated alcohol. CH3 losses proton, deprotonation, to give CH3 C CH3 OH CH3 finally gives 2,3-dimethyl 2-butanol. So as per option verification, first option is the correct one. So answer is first option.